tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about one of the most frustrating things that can happen when trying to log into Instagram on your PC. The dreaded sorry, something went wrong error message. If you have been experiencing this error, do not worry, I am here to help you fix it once and for all. So let's start this video. First, open your browser. The first thing you should try is cleaning your browser's cache and cookies. This is a quick and easy fix that can often solve the problem. I will show you step by step how to do this in both Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox and Microsoft Edge. Go your browser settings. Click search bar and search cookies. And click your cookies data store. And click cookie site data and search Instagram. Remove this cookies file. Remove first file and go your Instagram and refresh. Not fix problem, and delete second file and refresh again. So there you have it guys. By following these steps you should be able to fix the Instagram login error. Sorry, something went wrong on your PC. Do not let this error get in the way of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.
Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can!